What's all the fuss about lemon water? Is it actually that healthy? I want to answer every question you might have about lemon water, the benefits it has, when you should be having it, and all that other good stuff. Let's get started. Okay, so first, let's talk about lemons. When you think about it, it's crazy how one fruit can basically be a nutritional powerhouse. Lemons are rich in vitamin C and flavonoids, which are antioxidants. Antioxidants help remove free radicals from your body that can damage your cells. In fact, one squeezed lemon provides around 21% of a person's daily value of vitamin C. But what about lemon water? That's the star of our video, so let's see what actual benefits it has. You already know that water itself has a bunch of benefits for weight loss, but lemon water adds an extra advantage to it. These fruits contain fiber in the form of pectin, which will help curb your appetite and keep you away from snacking all the time. Plus, having lemon water instead of, let's just say, juice will help you avoid all those added sugars and calories. So lemon water equals greater weight loss. Another benefit? Drinking lemon water also helps with reducing inflammation. Since you're getting your antioxidants from lemon, you basically flush toxins out of your body that could be causing inflammation. Also, antioxidants will help you get rid of free radicals and will protect your body's cells from damage. This way, you'll reduce the risk of many diseases, including cardiovascular disease, diabetes, obesity, and cancer. Lemon water can also help reduce kidney stones. It contains high amounts of citrate. Increasing the amount of citrate in the body prevents kidney stones from forming. Plus, drinking water helps increase your urine volume, and that is going to help reduce kidney stones as well. What's more, lemon water freshens your breath and reduces bacteria in your mouth. You can avoid bad breath by drinking a glass of lemon water after meals and first thing in the morning. So, as you can see, it's a multi-purpose drink that can easily be included in your everyday routine. It's a great source of hydration, so if you're someone who has a very difficult time getting water in your daily intake, adding lemon juice to your water makes it more appealing. So, how should you drink the lemon water? Well, it definitely doesn't take a lot of effort to make it. Just squeeze a little bit of lemon juice into a glass of water and you're good to go. The amount of lemon juice depends on your taste buds and how strong you like it. You can also spice it up and add a little bit of sliced ginger or cinnamon. And if you can't help yourself and really want to make the water a bit sweeter, you can add some liquid stevia to it. Another question, is it better to drink warm or cold lemon water? Good news, it's really up to you. Both have the same effect. I prefer having cold lemon water throughout the day, and in the evening, I choose to drink it warm. That's just the way I like it. When is the best time to drink lemon water? Our body is really dehydrated by the time we wake up, so grab a glass first thing in the morning. Also, drink it throughout the day because you'll get much needed water intake, freshen up, and get your digestive system working. But how much lemon water should you be drinking? Adding 2 lemons per day to your water is more than enough. It's around 4 to 6 tablespoons. But don't add lemon water to every glass of water you drink. Its juice is highly acidic, so if you drink too much of it, you may have some negative side effects. Citric acid can erode tooth enamel and damage your teeth. So if you want to avoid that, you can try drinking your lemon water through a straw. Can you have lemon water while fasting, and does lemon water break your fast? Yes, you can have lemon water during your fasting hours and it doesn't break your fast. However, if you add some calorie-containing ingredients like sugar or honey, it will kick you out of your fast. Just keep it simple and you'll be absolutely fine. Watch another video about the benefits of apple cider vinegar and check out our playlist on how to start living a healthy lifestyle.